Namaste friends, welcome back to my Knowledge Express. Today I'm going to tell you a beautiful story, one that shows Lord Shiva's kindness, Ma Parvati's love, and how Lord Ganesha got his divine elephant head. Let's begin.
Once upon a time, there lived a demon named Gajasura. He had the body of an elephant, but a heart full of devotion. Gajasura prayed to Lord Shiva with deep penance for many years. Lord Shiva finally appeared in front of him and offered him a boon. Gajasura asked, "Oh Lord, please stay inside my stomach." Shiva, being Bholenath, the kind Lord who never breaks his word, agreed. He shrunk himself and entered Gajasura's stomach. Days passed, and Ma Parvati grew worried because Shiva did not return. She went to her brother, Lord Vishnu, and asked for help. Vishnu understood the situation and made a plan. He disguised himself as a musician and went to Gajasura along with Nandi. Vishnu began to play the flute beautifully. Gajasura loved the music so much that he offered the flutist any reward he wished. Vishnu asked, "Let Lord Shiva out of your stomach." Gajasura immediately understood that the flutist was none other than Vishnu. He agreed and released Shiva, but in doing so, he was hurt badly and knew his end was near. With his last breath, he requested Shiva, "O Bholenath, please let me always be close to you, in some form, in some presence." Shiva gently blessed him and promised, "Your wish will be fulfilled." Many years later, Ma Parvati heard that Shiva was returning home. Filled with joy, she prepared to welcome him. Before he arrived, she went to take a bath using fragrant turmeric paste. As she bathed, she shaped a small doll from that paste. With her divine powers, she brought the doll to life. The little boy opened his eyes and called her Ma. Parvati Ma was overjoyed. She hugged him and said, "Guard the entrance and let no one inside until I finish my bath." She gave him laddus and the little boy stood proudly at the door. Soon, Lord Shiva arrived, but the little boy stopped him at the door, following his mother's orders. Neither knew who the other was. Their argument turned into a fierce battle. The child bravely blocked all of Shiva's divine weapons. But when the mighty Trishul was released, he couldn't stop it. The Trishul struck him, and the little boy fell, his head severed. His scream shook the three worlds. When Parvati came out and saw her lifeless child, her grief filled the skies. To calm her and restore peace, Shiva ordered his Ganesha, "Bring the head of the first creature you find sleeping facing north." Deep in the forest, they found one elephant sleeping exactly like that. The elephant was believed to be the reborn form of Gajasura, fulfilling his wish to stay close to Shiva. The Ganesha brought its head. With the help of Brahma and Vishnu, Lord Shiva fixed the elephant head onto the child's body and brought him back to life. The child opened his eyes again. Shiva lovingly said, "From today, you will be known as Ganesha, the remover of obstacles."
In this way, Lord Shiva showed the true meaning of balance and compassion. He did not break his promise to his devotee Gajasura, and he did not let Ma Parvati lose her son. By placing the elephant head of his devotee onto the child, Shiva fulfilled both promises at once. Gajasura stayed forever close to the Lord, and the child returned to life as Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. Thus, Bholenath proved that true divinity lies in keeping one's word and protecting love.